Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet puff V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, and how to make the puff stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the puff V-stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I did make a row of all single crochet for a little foundation row down here, but you could work these puff V-stitches into chains if you want to. And I did want to let you know, I worked my first puff V into the 4th chain from my hook, skipped 3, worked a puff V, skipped 3, and so on from there. So I'm going to show you how to make the puff V-stitch on the row that I am currently working. I have made 2 chains on my hook over here. So you can see this previous puff V-stitch right here. You're going to be working in the middle of that. You're going to work 1 puff stitch. You're then going to chain 2. You're going to work a puff stitch in that same space. Then chain 1. That is going to be 1 puff V-stitch made. So you can see it's a puff, chain 2, and a puff all in the same stitch or space. We're going to move on to the next one. So in this space right here, you're going to work 1 puff. Chain 2, and then 1 puff again. Then make 1 chain. You would continue this until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to make a half double crochet into these last chains right here from your previous row. That half double crochet is going to match the 2 chains that you made at the beginning of your row. You would then just repeat this row for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the crochet puff V-stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.